Hello. Today I would like to talk about the circulatory system. The circulatory system is a system where blood is delivered into every single cell in our body. You may ask, why do we need blood delivered into every single cell in our body? Well, the blood contains glucose and oxygen as food for the cell. If the cell does not receive glucose and oxygen, it will die. That is why we need the circulatory system, and that is why it is so important. Here is a model of the heart. Here we have the left atrium and the left ventricle. And on the other side we have the right atrium and right ventricle. This is the aorta, which is the biggest artery. It sends out blood to every single cell and every part of our body. This is the vena cava. It brings in dirty blood once substance exchange has occurred. These are the pulmonary veins. They bring in oxygenated blood from the lungs into the heart. And this is the pulmonary artery. And this sends out blood as well. And this is how the heart looks. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, vena cava, and pulmonary vein. And yeah. I would also like to explain how the path of the blood. Okay, when you take in air, when you breathe, oxygen gets into the lungs. From the lungs, it travels through the pulmonary vein, and it enters the left atrium, then it passes through a valve, it comes into the left ventricle, and it passes through another valve, and it comes to the aorta, and comes to the head, arms, body, and legs. Here, substance exchange occurs. The cells receive oxygen and glucose, and they release water and carbon dioxide. This makes the blood turn blue, and it is dirty blood. This is taken through the vena cava back into the heart. It enters the right atrium, it passes through a valve, it enters the right ventricle, and it passes through another valve, and it comes to the pulmonary artery, and it comes back to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood gets reoxygenated, and the cycle repeats. I would also like to tell you why we have valves in the heart. These are the valves. They are used as a door. If the blood comes this way, it cannot flow back because the valves won't let it. If the blood goes this way, it cannot flow back because the valves won't let it. The valves are used for the blood to go only in one direction. I hope I helped you understand more about the circulatory system. Thank you.